Trigonometry. LS is 1 by sin 10 minus root 2 by cos 10. Sin 10 cos 10. LCM. Cos 10 minus root 3 sin 10. Half half. Then half cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 sin 10. Half is equal to sin 30 cos 10 cos 30 sin 10. Then minus 1 by 4 2 sin 10 cos 10. 4 sin 30 minus 10 sin 20. 4 sin 20 sin 20 cutting 4. RSS, LSS are there. Please always progressive minded, civilized human being. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much, everybody. Please subscribe me. I must be grateful to you. All of you progressive minded, civilized human being. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much.